Tired of juggling a million apps and manually copying data between them? We will show you how to integrate your favorite apps using Zapier, unlocking automation superpowers that will transform your workflow. First, head over to Zapier.com and create a free account. If you don't have one already, once you're logged in, you'll land on the Zapier dashboard. Click on the big Create Zap button. A Zap is simply an automated workflow connecting two or more apps. Now, let's set up your trigger. This is the app that starts your automation. For example, if you want to automatically save new Gmail attachments to Google Drive, Gmail is your trigger app. Search for Gmail and select it. Zapier will then ask you to choose a trigger event. Select new attachment. This means every time you receive a new email with an attachment, this app will fire. Connect your Gmail account to Zapier. You'll need to grant Zapier permission to access your Gmail. Don't worry, it's secure. Next, we need to set up the action. This is what happens after the trigger. In our example, it's saving the attachment to Google Drive. Search for Google Drive and select it. Choose Upload File as the action event. This tells Zapier you want to upload the attachment from Gmail to Google Drive. Connect your Google Drive account and specify the folder where you want to save the attachments. You can also customize the file name if you like. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. Zapier will guide you through this. If the test is successful, turn on your Zap. And that's it. Now, every time you receive an email with an attachment in Gmail, it will automatically be saved to your Google Drive. Experiment with different apps and triggers to build powerful automations tailored to your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips.